Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your video created on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Start creating your video, and after that tap on this filter button, which is the fifth option on the right side of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can see the filters that you can apply. As you slide to the right side, you can see the available filters such as daily, jelly, pure, gleam. So tap on the one that you are interested in. You can see how it looks like, try them out, and when you are satisfied with it, just tap onto the screen and click on the save button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.